Hi, thanks for clicking on the video. My name is Rishabh and I'm from Global Ranking Solution. I've been doing a business development work for past 8 years, which is why I have complete knowledge of email marketing. However, in this video, we'll learn account-based cold email marketing. So without further ado, let's start the process. So this is my screen, and for account-based email marketing, you would require only three things. One, contact list. Two, email content. Three, mailing tool. So first we would focus on contact list. So for contact list generation, I always prefer LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn account. Okay, so let's say I'm going to target CEO, for example. So CEO, press enter. Generally I use a sales navigator, but for this account I will prefer CEO for the demo purpose. Okay, I got the CEOs, but I would prefer a filter. Let's say information technology, location India because I live in India, English, Portuguese, software development. That's enough, I guess. I got 3000 CEOs as per my requirement, as per my criteria. Okay, now the question is how to extract their emails and other details in our internal list. So for that we would require a tool called Scrap. Generally I use Snovio, but Snovio is a paid one, so I would go for the Scrap. Though Scrap is also a paid one, but it gives you a 150 credits per month. So here it is, Scrap dashboard. You have to install it's Chrome. Yes, I got it. Install email finder. Add to Chrome, add extension. Checking now. It has been added. Yes, it is the Scrap. We got it here. And come to our search result, refresh it. Click on icon. It would require a login or sign up. I have already signed up, so I would click on login. But for you, if you're using it first time, you would require a sign up. Sign up is very easy, just like any other tool. So for me, it's login. Yes, create a list. Let's say, okay, got it, first list, create. Very simple. Cut it here, cut it. Okay, so now, yes, choose your list, search for email address, launch. Two emails, this showing 150 emails used. I already used it for some other purpose, so now, not now. I would go for another page. Okay, again the same process. Click on the icon, choose your list and launch email finder. Click it. Okay, that's it, I guess. Click on web dashboard. So I got 4 verified emails. and 2 invalid. So invalid, we should not touch invalid emails. So I would download the valid emails to my internal file as an Excel. Click on download. That's it. Here it looks like we have almost all required details: first name, last name, email, status verified, title, location, LinkedIn profile information, company name, company website, and company size, and other details. Now we need to copy the information and have to paste in Google separate sheet. Copy wrap text. Sorry, I have to do a wrap test also. Copy, and this is the sheet, Google separate sheet. Click on blank. Now paste. We got it. Let's give it any name. First sheet. So our first task has completed. That is contact list generation. We have generated contact list from LinkedIn, and now we have to focus on email content. I presume myself a computer shop owner, and I have recently opened a new store, so I want to inform my existing customers about this new store. So the email will look like, hello, I will write a first name here, so space and comma. Okay. I hope you are well. Please do your computer store. Let's do international cricket stadium. That is why we are offering a welcome to our existing customers. Let's say loyal customer. Our loyal customers. Like I'll mention a company name here, comma, and leave it blank. You will get 20%. 20 is less. Let's get 50% minimum discount on a wide range of products. That's it, I think. Thank you, Rishabh Shukla. ABC store, YZ location, Alpha. That's it. So now a little customization. Hello, first name. So this is our first name, but I should not use these genuine emails for the demo purpose. That's why I would go with our test sheet. This is the test sheet I have already prepared for this video. these all are my email IDs. So I would mention here the first name. So take the header first name and paste it. Remember, always copy and paste. Otherwise, what happens if you make any spelling mistake, it will not integrate from here and your campaign will be ruined. So make sure you have copy and pasted, and yeah, 2 curly brackets here. Yes, like yes, here the company name, again 2 curly bracket, and company. Okay, and subject line, welcome to ABC. Okay, no problem. Discount store. Okay, another customization, I would like to mention company name. Okay, so company. So our second task has also completed, that is the email content we have already mentioned. Now the third part, mailing tool. There are several tools available in the market, at least 100 tools which offer the same services, but for this video I would go for the yet another email. Okay, this one. This is the easiest mail merge tool ever I used. So for the beginners, I would suggest yet another mail merge. Okay, from the website YAM, and click on install. That's a super easy tool. Click it here, allow, yes, done it. Okay, I need to refresh the sheet. Click on add-on, yes, yet another mail merge, start mail merge. Okay, check quota, you can send 50 emails free. If you want to send more emails, then you can go for the paid version. Paid version is really very cheap. You can purchase a $20 plan for an year. Okay, so but here we would go for the free one. Okay, click on start. So it will look like that. You can change a sender's name if you want, anything, but I'll keep it same. And email template, this is the most important part, you have to pay attention. Email templates. Okay, welcome to ABC discount, I would choose this one, and this is the same email templates which we have written here. Okay, from here draft, it integrates from the draft. Okay, this one, right? Send test email. You can use filters, personalized attachment, and a lot more. I'll discuss these things in next video, but for time being, focus on the basics. Okay, so we have received, I guess, yeah, this one, welcome to ABC store, ABC. Okay, this is the company ABC, yeah, first one. Okay, so I think we are all set. Okay, this is the customized field. Hello Rishabh, first name. So I think we are all set. Send. It takes a few seconds, 10-15 seconds maximum. That's it. Okay, error. Yeah, because of this, there is error. Okay, this email ID does not exist, but these 2 emails have been sent. Now check how These email looks in real email, real email inbox. Yes, this is the email I've sent just now. Welcome to ABC Store. Fully customized. Nobody can figure out that it has been sent by external tool or written manually. Here, hello Rishabh. Welcome to. So now our status has changed because I have opened the email. The sent email has been opened. That is why it is showing open. And if I reply, then it would show here replied. And if I would have clicked on the any of the given link, though there is no link, then it would have shown here and clicked. Okay, the bounce, the unsubscribe. There are so many other options, and with this button you can start follow up on the same sheet. Okay, there are so many other things I'll discuss in the next video, but for now I think you would have an idea about the basics of cold email marketing.